Hello there, everyone. Today we'll look at how to construct a bootable Kali Linux installation. We'll need a USB for this, so get one ready. Let's start by installing Rofus. Check out the description if you're not familiar with it. Put Rofus on the local disk C when you've finished installing it. Kali Linux Live Boot must be installed. Take the actions outlined in the video. This is an excellent opportunity to attach your USB drive. Check to see if it's empty. As the administrator, run Rofus. Select your USB flash drive. After that, you'll need to select your Kali Linux ISO file. The cluster size can also be altered. You are now finished. Start the program. It should look somewhat like this after it's finished. Now we have to access our boot menu. I will leave other ways to access it if this one does not work for you in the description. You must hold down Shift while clicking Restart. That should bring you to the boot menu. This is what it should look like. If this is the case, select the second option, Use a device. This is what it displays for me, so I'll choose this. And boom! You now have your own bootable Kali Linux USB drive. That's it. I hope you found this information useful. Friends, hack well.